2025 Cadillac Escalade is expected to continue its legacy as a luxury full-size SUV with advanced technology, premium comfort, and powerful performance. Here's what you can expect in terms of care and maintenance for a 2025 Escalade. 1. Regular maintenance. Oil changes follow Cadillac's recommended intervals, likely every 7,508 10,000 miles for synthetic oil. Tire care. Regular rotation every 5,000 7,500 miles and alignment checks. Brake inspection every 10,000 15,000 miles to ensure safety. Battery health. With more electronics in the 2025 model, ensure the 12 volts and hybrid electric batteries, if applicable, are in good condition. 2. Technology software updates. Cadillac is incorporating over-the-air (OTA) updates, meaning software and performance enhancements can be installed remotely. Ensure Super Cruise, hands-free driving, is updated and calibrated correctly. Keep infotainment and navigation systems updated for the latest maps and features. 3. Exterior-interior care. Use ceramic coating or high-quality wax to protect the paint and maintain shine. Leather conditioning every few months to preserve the premium interior. Regular sensor cleaning for parking assistance, cameras, and autonomous features. 4. Powertrain considerations. If Cadillac offers a hybrid or fully electric Escalade IQ, battery maintenance will be crucial. Monitor regenerative braking performance in electric, hybrid versions. 5. Warranty service plans. Cadillac likely offers complimentary maintenance for the first few years, so take advantage of it. Extended warranties or Cadillac Care plans could be worth considering for long-term cost savings. Would you like specific recommendations based on whether you're considering the gas-powered Escalade or the new all-electric Escalade IQ?